Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, your Discover boss, and you're back on the Rush for more reviews. So we're right outside of Dunrobin. We're on the compound of the Total Dunrobin, right over here, and across the road from the gas station is Phil's Hardware, one of the long-standing hardware in Kingston. And then we're also right next to the newly finished Constant Spring Road as well. What we'll be doing today, we're just taking a drive through the community. It's called Gore Terrace. It's right next to this area, and that's where we're driving today. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments. So let's take a drive. So we are in the community, Gore Terrace. Not a very big community, but it's right next to Alpha Tree, right off Constant Spring Road. So we're just taking a quick drive around the community as well. If you guys have ever been in this community before, as usual, just let me know in the comment section. If you have ever lived in this community, let me know. Or if you're living there right now, let me know as well. So we're gonna eventually take this right turn because straight in front of me is a gully. So there's a barricade there, you're not able to cross there. So we're just gonna turn back somewhere right here, because right there is a little footbridge. So we take this left turn, and again, in a few minutes we'll be finished driving through the community, because it's pretty small, but it's one of those communities that was built in the early days. And again, it's very central though. It's right next to Alpha Tree. This is now Gore Close on the left. So we'll continue down. And if we look straight ahead, then that's back out on Constant Spring Road, right next to Merle Grove High School as well. But we'll go into Gore Drive. Never been on this drive, so I'm thinking it probably has a dead end. But let's find out. At a dead end, And again, one of the major gullies is right over there. And then on my right is a smaller type apartment complex, Gore Terrace apartment. So we'll take a quick glance. So that's Gore Terrace apartments. Alright, so we head back onto Constant Spring Road. And again, guys, leave your comments, leave your thoughts about this community as well. And as I mentioned, if you have ever resided in this community or probably still living or grew up in this community, let us know as well. Alright, so it's Gore Terrace, Kingston. So right in front of us is Rehoboth. So it's Rehoboth Gospel Assembly. Then we have Merle Grove. That's Merle Grove High School. And then we have CVMTV over to the left as well. So those are some of the companies and places in this section. So we'll now continue on Constant Spring Road. Alright, so right here seems to be some burst pipe. If you look close, you see the water bubbling up, but it look more like sewage coming up on the roadway. It does have a smell as well. I know you guys can't smell anything, but it does have a smell, so I think it's sewage. Alright guys, so we'll drive into Alpha Tree now, coming out of Gore Terrace. It's a Sunday, so the road is a little bit emptier, less traffic. West King's House Road on the left. So we're passing places like Tropical Plaza, Twin Gates Plaza, Constant Spring Arcade. So mainly Plaza on this section until they reach into the center of Alpha Tree, passing the Springs Plaza, Central Plaza. So it's mainly Plaza going into Alpha Tree. And then we have Pavilion Mall directly in front of me as well. So that's an indoor mall. and then we're at the Halfway Tree Transport Center. I know most persons, can't miss that. It's a very iconic construction. So that's basically it, guys. Gore Terrace to Halfway Tree. Just a quick drive with you guys, showing you around that community and then bringing you to Halfway Tree. So thanks so much for clicking on this video. Remember to leave your comment, remember to like, and definitely subscribe as well. So thanks for watching.